All right, so we're at Embedded World 2025, and we are talking about a demo that we put together between Intel, SYSGO, Curtiss-Wright, and wolfSSL. And what we'll bring to the table is a secure bootloader for Intel Raptor Lake. So this demo basically just runs after the BIOS right now. It goes to the UEFI shell and starts up a wolfBoot, which actually just does a signature hashing and verification of the kernel, the PikeOS kernel, and then it boots very quickly and runs the wolfCrypt test and benchmark. Normally when we do a safety critical certification like a DO-178 at the DAL-A on wolfBoot, we'll actually do a full BIOS replacement. So we've already done this for Intel Tiger Lake, and you can actually download that from GitHub right now, and you can try it out on Intel Tiger Lake. You can completely replace the BIOS so that out of Intel Boot ROM and Intel Boot Guard, it goes straight into wolfBoot and then loads up whatever OS you want. But in this case, we're loading SYSGO PikeOS.